All right, we're about to make up some deer summer sausage. Down here with my good friend Keith Veal, and he's gonna show us how it's done. Ralph Mann, Mann's Adventures, down at our neighbor's place, and he is about to be making some deer summer sausage, and he's got a really nice setup, so we'll take a look. He's actually mixing the deer burger with a whole mess of jalapenos. We've got different seasonings, cheese, it's pepper jack cheese, right? Mm-hmm. So we got pepper jack cheese. And it's one of those jobs you just got to get your hands dirty. All right, he's loading up the canister. This is a Walton's. We're not sponsored by Walton's, but they're welcome to send us one if they want us to give it a try. But he's loading up this so that he can crank it down and extrude it into the bags. So we'll get that going. All right, we've got snack sausage coming through.
Hold on, I got to stop it about right there. Then I take this here, and I'll just cut. Take it, just bundle it up, twist, stick. And that's my link for my smoker.
You get it figured out?
Yes, sir.
Then these will be smoked in the smoker. Changing out the extruder to a 3-pounder, and we're gonna do the summer sausage bags. These were the snack sticks, and then they'll all go in the smoker.
You fill it completely, right?
Fill it up so it's hot. There you go.
All right, that'd be 3 pounds of summer sausage,
There's good.
and then it will be smoked. Special thanks to my good friend Keith Veal for inviting me down to come see him make deer summer sausage and snack sticks. So appreciate that, Keith.
Look, man.
Till next time, God bless.